you know, is that her hair or nah kind of look. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I got, yes, another kinky curly V-part wig. I'm pretty much just gonna make this a V-part wig playlist series so y'all can see every option there is. I think this is actually my third or fourth one, but that's cool because we can compare and you can get the best option for you. And this wig is cute. This is the kinky curly 18-inch V-part wig. So it's giving natural, this is my hair, don't ask me no questions vibes. If you want to see how I got this look and everything that I think about this hair, keep on watching. But wait. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so we got what? Another kinky curly V-part wig. I know, like, I feel like I've reviewed every single one from like every brand possible at this point. But hey, that makes me an expert on the topic now, because how many times I done did this to show y'all. So you know I know what I'm talking about. So anyways, and plus I got a lot to compare them to, you know what I'm saying? So if you're serious about getting a kinky curly V-part, I'm your girl at this point. I am the kinky curly V-part connoisseur. Yes, I like that. Anyways, so I'm just doing the usual. I clip the wig down. I love how easy these are, and I'm taking the jam and like really getting into there with the finger coiling and stuff like that really helps a lot, just to like separate your hair a little bit, especially if you have curly hair to match this. You're golden. This is not that hard. But if you're like me, you have Tex-Lex hair, or maybe, you know, just hair that don't necessarily go with the way that the wig's texture is, then this is a good way to do it. I went full throttle on this one. I know some of them you just see me kind of do a little bit and call it a day. This one, I actually added a bunch of different products to the hair. So I started out with the jam, because the jam obviously helps me mold it a lot. I love the jam. And then I kind of took my edges out, because I like when I have a little bit of edges out. Like, I know you can wear these without your edges out, don't get me wrong, but I like mine. I go for the natural look with less hair. Like, that's always my goal with V-part wigs, is to have a natural look but way less hair out. So I do take out just a little bit in the front for my edges, and then again I'm just kind of like crinkling my hair and really just trying to mold everything together so it gives it a nice seamless look. It takes a minute. And really, I do mean a minute, because it don't take long. But, you know, you got to maneuver it a little bit, but you get there. It's very simple and very easy, actually. I also took some curly cream throughout the hair to kind of loosen up the rest of the hair a little bit. With my hair being, you know, straight and everything, I wanted it to get weighed down a little bit and match up with me better. And that's pretty much what I used it for. Add a little more jam, because you just can't get enough jam with these. Actually, you can't get enough jam. It can get caked up. So, you know, you're going to have to wash your hair after about 3 days. If your hair acts like mine, that is. And then I also took it through a wide tooth comb. And that really started to, like, mold the things together for me. And then I also took it to kind of, again, stretch out the curls, because, you know, I wanted it to match my hair as best as I could. So this V-part is another one with a great fit to it. Okay, maybe I'm just seeing things. It's not hanging off the back, which is great, because sometimes V-parts and U-parts, they can be hanging off the back for you. This one fits great. I didn't have to crisscross or nothing. This is another one at a more natural length if you want that real, like, you know, is that her hair or nah kind of look. And I feel like me putting like the products in the hair without actually putting any water in the hair allowed me to keep the definition, but, you know, get that full 18-inch length out of this. Another great vacation unit, kinky curly, whether you get it in a lace front, V-part, U-part, whatever. Kinky curly is such a great wig to wear like on vacation. I used to do it back in like 2015, about 2017 I want to say was my last time wearing it. But I had a kinky curly wig and literally nobody thought it was a wig based on how I styled it and like covered up the lace. But the hair was like, it was kind of manageable but not kind of manageable. I think I would know what I was doing more now. But the point is that hair was great for vacation, because even if it got puffy, it looked like it was supposed to be that way. You ain't gotta deal with like recurling your hair with the wand or anything of that nature. So like when it comes to wigs, kinky curly is a great texture to go on vacation with. The hair feels so soft and amazing. I really didn't get any shedding out of this unit. I did, you know, kind of comb through it just a little bit, and I did get some hair out of it. But I feel like that was more from the stress of me combing it than the hair just coming out. Another great protective style for my natural girls who just want to give their hair a break but maintain the same look. If you're interested in this unit, details will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.